from being morbidly obese as a teenager to a fit girl, a strong, confident woman. My journey has been amazing. Hi, my name is Dr. Garima Mishra and this is my transformation story. I was always an active kid. Like I used to play tennis, I used to play sports, I used to swim, I used to dance. I'm also trained in Bharatanatyam. My parents just asked me to focus more on studying. At that point, I really stopped everything. All I did is just focused on my studies. At school, there was a health checkup. In my 7th standard, I was 70 kgs. I had a best friend who was quite lean and popular, everyone used to like her. And I was always her fat best friend. I didn't really care about what I ate. I never looked at food as comfort, it was just convenience. So I used to stay up late and I used to drink a lot of coffee. I even started prophylactically taking medication so that I would avoid getting migraines at a very young age. By the age of 25, I had already gained 92 kgs. So I went to the gym. Personal trainers used to catch me and they used to tell me that, okay, stay with us and we'll transform. And then they used to give me liquid diets to make me lose weight fast. So I was in America and I was doing an internship there. After my MBBS got over, my best friend, he added me to FITTR. For some time, I didn't really pay so much attention to it, but then I started seeing transformations and it kind of got me motivated. Quantified nutrition, now it depends on what kind of diet you want to follow, what your goal is. Diet-wise, at that point, I understood that protein would be very, very important. So I will keep eggs either boiled, then in the morning I'll have a light bhurji and I'll have a cheese slice and I will leave. For chicken, I divide that into small packets. Because I was a very heavy lifter and I had more muscle than usual, I always thought that it's probably just my muscle mass that is making me weigh so much. But then, unfortunately, in 2017, I was diagnosed with an abdominal adrenal tumor. It was something that had to be operated immediately. All my surgeons, all my doctors, they advised against doing any kind of weightlifting. Once I was back home, I realized that I had lost a lot of muscle mass. My goal then became that I need to get my strength back. So I started going to the gym within, let's say, 15 to 20 days. I used to walk, I used to do light 2 to 3 kg dumbbells only for my upper body. Even though the surgeons told me that you will not be lifting again, I knew in my heart that I would start once I got stronger. For me, both of them, being a doctor and being a coach, is almost the same thing, and I find it a very rewarding experience. And I'm very thankful for FITTR, very, very thankful. It's my family, it's my community. My dream came true of taking part in a pageant. I won Miss Inspiration Mumbai and Miss Inspiration West Zone India. I just want to say that when I stopped caring about what others thought and actually did it for me, it was not to fit into a dress size, it was not to look good for boys. I wanted to live a fit life. I wanted to be the best version of myself. That is when I actually transformed. I just want to say that as long as you believe in yourself, you want to make a change, you want to get fit, you want to live a healthier life where you don't require anyone else's validation. You do this for yourself.